Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the beta boyfriend from the Friday Night Funkin' Minus mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Draw a large U shape that's a bit shorter on the right side. Then from the top left, draw a curve over and down to the other side. Next, draw an S-curve across the middle of the head for the hat. Now from the center of the hat line, draw a curve down to the right. Let's draw the eyes next. Draw a large U-curve on the left side of the face. And then another U-curve in the top left. Draw the other eye to the right with a wider curve like this. And then add a U-curve in the top left. Let's draw the mouth next. Start under the right eye and draw a curve down and to the left. From the right side of this line, draw a slanted curve out to the right and back into the line like this. Then taper the left side of the mouth to a point. Let's draw the brim of the hat next with a curve out to the right here. Now let's draw the right hand holding the microphone. Draw a large circular curve on the right overlapping the head and the hat brim. Now erase the lines inside. Next, add a curved rectangle shape under. Then add some curved detailed lines inside the microphone like this. Let's draw the hand next. Draw 2 fingers below the microphone like this. Then on the left, draw a rounded square line down. Now move to the right side and draw a bumpy line down here. Then draw a finger pointing down with a long curve down and back up. And then add a curve across the finger. Lastly, add the bottom of the microphone with 2 lines down, and then a curve across the bottom. Let's draw the body now. Draw a curved line down under the right side of the face, stopping around the microphone base level. Then draw the left side of the body with a longer curve down. Now add a curved V-shape across for the top of the pants. Next, add 2 diagonal lines between the body and the hand for the arm. Let's draw the left hand now. Draw a curved square line on an angle on the left here. Now draw the top of the hand with a slight S-curve. Next, draw 3 fingers going down like this. Then add a small curve between the top of the hand and the top finger. Next, from the top, continue the line curving it down. Then add 2 bumps. And then a line to close off the hand. Next, let's draw the tongue of the shoe behind the hand. From the side of the body, draw a curve up to the hand. And then a small curve under the hand. Before finishing the shoe, let's draw the left arm now with 2 diagonal lines. Now at the end, add a small curve and color it in black. Okay, let's finish off the left shoe now. Draw a curved border under the tongue. Then a curved point out to the right. And then a curve down under it. Now move over to the left side and draw the shape of the shoe out to the left. And then connect them with an S-curve across like this. Now add the sole of the shoe underneath following the same curves. Let's add the details on the shoe now. On the top left, draw 2 angled lines in. And then connect them with a line. Next, add a curved bent line for the toe of the shoe. And then add a border above it and to the right like this. Now add a bent line on the heel. And lastly, a rectangle shape above it. Let's draw the right shoe now facing forwards. Draw the tongue of the shoe behind the hand and microphone in the same way as the other side. Now add a curve out on the left. And then a wavy line down for the side of the shoe like this. Now draw the right side of the shoe. And close off the bottom with a curve. Next, add the sole of the shoe underneath with a curve. Let's add the details on the shoe now. Draw a curved rectangle inside at the top. Now draw the toe of the shoe like this. And add a border above it. Next, let's add the side of the shoe on the left. Draw a curve down. and then another curve inside. Now add a small black section here. And then one more small curve below. Lastly, to finish off the drawing, draw an upside down V shape in the middle between the shoes for the bottom of the legs. And that's it for the beta boyfriend. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.